Hello, my name is Anthony. I just got the Greatmats StayLock tiles. I have a very plush carpet, so I'm going to be putting them on some plywood to create my home gym. So here's the final product. It was super easy to install. It feels extremely durable. I'm getting a Smith machine to put on it, so I think it'll provide a good base, and I highly recommend the product. The shipping was great. It came very quickly. You can see tiles install real well. They're super even, and they feel really sturdy. I'm really excited, happy with the product.